Hey, it's Larry with LOA Leather and Crafts, and I am doing the follow-up video and kind of finishing off my previous carve. Kind of took a bomb. I set the depths too deep, carved out the window all the way through, and it didn't turn out what I was hoping for. I have a fix for it, so I'm not going to show you what happened yet, but still working on it. Carving a new one right now. No more talk. Here it goes. That's the window I accidentally carved all the way through the last. Just don't tell anybody. Okay, well, it's going to keep carving, but I still need my phone. So I'm going to put an update back. It'll probably be the very next video. Pretty cool to watch. This is only the beginning. If you guys want to see some more, I'm going to be doing way more. Check this out. We're going to be running some 4th axis rotary in 2 different machines, and like I said, this is only the beginning. I'm getting everything set up and rocking and rolling, and getting more and more amazed every single day. All right, yeah, I'm gonna keep on keeping on. Come back, check us out, LOA Leather and Crafts. Like, subscribe, and share, and send all your friends all of these videos because they're gonna love it. I do. Thanks.